Hello my friends. Today we will talk about the must-have and best-seller weight loss and healthy cookbooks that everyone should have. So hold your breath and let's start. The links of all these books are in the description box. 1. Pinch of Nom, 100 Home-Style Recipes for Health and Weight Loss. For breakfast, lunch, dinner, and desserts, Kate Allinson and Kay Featherstone's pinchofnom.com has helped millions of people cook delicious food and lose weight. With over 100 incredible recipes, the Pinch of Nom cookbook can help beginner and experienced home cooks alike enjoy exciting, flavorful, and satisfying meals. From chicken fajita pie and vegetable tagine to cheesecake stuffed strawberries and tiramisu, this food is so good you'll never guess the calorie count. 2. 10-Day Green Smoothie Cleanse, lose up to 15 pounds in 10 days. The New York Times best-selling 10-Day Green Smoothie Cleanse will jumpstart your weight loss, increase your energy level, clear your mind, and improve your overall health as you lose 10 to 15 pounds in just 10 days. 3. Wheat Belly, lose the wheat, lose the weight, and find your path back to health. A provocative look at how eliminating wheat from our diets can help us lose weight, shrink unsightly bulges, and reverse a broad spectrum of health problems from acne to diabetes and serious digestive disorders. 4. 5 Ingredients, Quick and Easy Food Hardcover, International Edition. Jamie keeps it super simple. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated, that's why Jamie's 5 Ingredients, Quick and Easy Food is sure to become your new best friend in the kitchen. It's all about making the journey to good food very, very simple. Every recipe uses just 5 key ingredients, ensuring you can get a meal together fast. 5. The Plant Paradox, the hidden dangers in healthy foods that cause disease and weight gain. Most of us have heard of gluten, a protein found in wheat that causes widespread inflammation in the body. Americans spend billions of dollars on gluten-free diets in an effort to protect their health. But what if we've been missing the root of the problem? In The Plant Paradox, renowned cardiologist Dr. Stephen Gundry reveals that gluten is just one variety of a common, and highly toxic, plant-based protein called lectin. 6. 4-Hour Body, an Uncommon Guide to Rapid Fat Loss, Incredible Sex and Becoming Superhuman. The 4-Hour Body. Based on more than a decade of research, the collective wisdom of hundreds of elite athletes and medical doctors, as well as thousands of hours of jaw-dropping personal experimentation, Ferris has finally perfected the way to rapid body transformation. 7. Lose Weight for Good, Full Flavor Cooking for a Low-Calorie Diet. Lamb Doner. Chicken Tikka Masala. Turkey Burger. Donuts. If you think this doesn't sound like diet food, then think again. Featuring all the recipes from his BBC Two TV series, Tom Kerridge shows how you can enjoy all your favorite foods and still lose weight with his lower-calorie diet with a difference. 8. The Joy of Cooking. Written by Irma Starkloff-Rombauer, The Joy of Cooking was first tested and illustrated by her daughter, Marion Rombauer Becker. Subsequently it was revised and enlarged through Marion's efforts and those of her architect husband John Becker. Their sons, Ethan, with his cordon bleu and camping experiences, and Mark, with his interest in natural foods, have reinforced Joy in many ways. 9. The How Not to Die Cookbook, over 100 recipes to help prevent and reverse disease. From the author of the global bestseller How Not to Die comes the How Not to Die Cookbook, a lavish, beautifully illustrated collection of delicious recipes based on the groundbreaking nutritional science of the original book. And the last one, Cook Once, Eat All Week, 26 weeks of gluten-free, affordable meal prep to preserve your time and sanity. Cook Once, Eat All Week started as a 4-week series on fedandfit.com and, because of the rave reviews by thousands of readers, is making its debut in print on April 23, 2019 as an expanded 6 months worth of meal prep guidance. Cook Once, Eat All Week. The book includes tips for storing, freezing, reheating, and adjusting for various serving number needs. It also includes a macronutrient breakdown for all recipes and has considerations for paleo, egg-free, nut-free, and low-carb. Reminder, the links of all these books are in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share it with your friends, and activate the bell.